A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment, and we could get straight into this. Alright, so I don't really have no story for telling you tonight. Alright, I don't know I get piece of the talk show. I want to listen what the caller you say. As a man, when you come on to dating woman overseas. And I think why we have all these stories and problems on this channel, more time I learn that it's a cultural different. Alright, so dating somebody overseas sometime, most of them are entitled and they feel like, yeah, this is my way or so. As well, someone would say, yes, they will be kind, but you're going to have problem. And a lady sent me a very interesting text this morning, Zane, and she said, she agree with 50-50 because what she's saying is like, what if a guy married her son, she used the word her son, married, and put all these investment and everything in one partner, and then now when it gets sour, he leave with nothing. He have to go start back over, and then now when him try get a next woman and them ask him why am I come to the table with it? At his age, them say, oh, him not have nothing, and that's a turn off. And you know, she said people not for judge people over them past, but to each his own, you know. To each his own. Cause I tell her this, a whole heap of generalship are going with this relationship here. Nobody not talk to nobody for just love. Want to answer me in the comment section. Yeah. Come on, this is 2025. When I believe real love exists, like a man will naturally see a woman and love her, care for her, treat her good, make she be the lady she want to be. When I believe that still exists, let's get honest with ourselves. Let's get honest with ourselves. And you know what I feel the relationship pool, especially people over 50. Some people, or should I say most people, still live in a bubble. A lot of people in their head they're saying that they're gonna get a man. Like if I'm 55, I'm gonna get a man who is 54. If I'm 64, I'm gonna get a man who is 62. The chances of you if you get a man is slim. And I'm talking to the ladies because when I see man them, and I see young girl them a take away man them, the big man, or the big man them a go their way there. And that I find out what I go on secretly. And you see true, most of the big woman them not drop them morals. Now for one not go take up no young boy. Whereas young boy not have nothing to bring to the table. But when you maybe will secretly there with him sexually. But like for, you know, straight up relationship, no for one not do that because you know say when you can't introduce him to the kids and them something there. So based on my data when I see here, to be honest, the pool look slim, it does look difficult. Not being like I like to be real with people. I want to be real. Alright? I want to be real. Because I match some people what they are when I match them. It's like a man I say, oh, the one or two miserable, oh, the one this, that, the one or two that, and then now them all call me back and say, you know, I have none younger. Because I can't manage all of them. Remember to say all the ladies them, or we say all the ladies, we not talk old man, because nobody now, no old man, no old man, no man over here. Because I don't consider 60, 65 old. For me, when me consider old up in a year, 75 and over, no disrespect to nobody, that is just my opinion. Yeah, so people in their 60s now want a man where, what? He must accomplish, he must have something. So we have a big problem. I'm going to stop address it for the week. Yeah? We're going to have part 3. You understand? Because I have to cater for the age group I have for my platform. And we can, you know, put on an opinion on the thing. Because my advice, I'm telling enough ladies if you know in the 60s and when you don't see no man out there, just stay single and live in a life, pay on the bills and live and go up and look cheap with a friend. And yeah, because some of the time, I don't know, it just don't look ready like that. If you're not the person of a define at the maybe 40s, 50s growing up now, it totally difficult. You understand? And sometimes the cultural difference in the whole world. I wish I could have solved everybody's problem, but I want to big up everybody who take a time out to try seek somebody. Me have about 15 women I don't know if any man who watch a program here interested in any woman overseas, locally or from 50 up. Contact me, I'm going to them picture and I don't know. I just not see her. But separately apart from that, I get a couple of match off of my show and I have a wedding for attend the 24th of May. May just around the corner, so I go stream that. Those people match from off of my show. It's been a year now since I'm engaged, so things happen. But me telling you something, you know, say when this man come on the program, nobody didn't want him. Couple woman get him and then find fault. And this woman find him and she take him and them are got married. Then live at 2 different countries still. But I'm not telling you how. I got surprised, you know. He was on the show 2 years ago. So when I look out for that. So things still happen and I just a real man then for come forward and say, yeah, I want a real empress now. Big woman. I know me have some man still talk to mature woman, but majority of the man them, I be a younger. Alright, ladies, do not give up when you can still try. But I have to tell you now, based on my data and my pool and my experience, what I see right now. When me say don't really mean like that's the whole world. It's just MIXUP Boss platform, okay? But anyway, I come at the call I talk and then I go come live.
But dear man, morning brother. Me missed the live last night, you know. Is me, but me da listen it back like late down. Is me want me da bed. And me I say, me no want you misconceptualize what me I say, you know. When me say 100, you know. I want you to fully understand because you see the nurse practitioner lady will come on and she tell us say she make more money than her husband, but regardless of the money part, he must still the head of the household and we can do more things. You see me? But in terms of responsibility and support and then kind of thing, he is always there and that she look for in a fear man, in a fear husband and them married for 5 years now. I hit me, I try to show you that is 100, bro. She explained it perfectly. Because when I say 100, me don't mean 100 financially. You know. Me never say 100 financially. You know. Me say 100 in a way where each party take full responsibility for the success of the relationship. You understand? Not for the financial success of the relationship, you know. For the success of the relationship overall. Because remember, me tell you, say marriage is hard work and a hard work. It is HARD and it's HEART. You get me, I say, bro? I'm going to shout you forward there and I can't get through, but I know say you have a whole heap of people that call us. So I just text you a voice note you and I hope say at some point in time you get around to them or you see them. You see me? I remember say me tell my story already. But I understand exactly what the nurse practitioner lady I say. You understand? And that is the way it's supposed to be. That's why I tell her, say, the girl where I tell her, say, boy, man have to pay a mortgage and do everything else and fear money. And if you are she left, she not left you with nothing. And that's why I tell her, say, bro, that a foolishness. Me don't know where she come from, but she sound like a mad person to me. You understand? And as me said, me not upset with her. That's her point of view, bro. But then thing then work a foreign. If that work a foreign, brother, I probably like 5% out of 100. You see me? And I don't even know if it reach so much. You see me? I say, the two lady them will come on last night and I listen to say, yo, they make more money than their husband, but them do what them supposed to do and the man do what him supposed to do because when he might be a responsible father and a responsible husband and take care of things where she can't take care of, regardless of financial or not, that is his 100. Her 100 might come in and the fact say, boy, she make more money than him, but she now watch what he might make. She a do what fear money can do. Are them put together. As I say, if one make 5,000, one make 2,000, we put the 7,000 together at one time and we do what he can do. You understand? How we do what's supposed to be done. That at each person 100. Your 100 might be 2,000. Her 100 might be 5,000. You get what I'm saying? So that's what me I try to explain. You see me? When me say 100, each person, not financial responsibility, you know, each person have to take total 100% responsibility for the success of the relationship. And that is how family life work a foreign. You understand? Because pitney hard for raise a foreign. You understand? That's one of them thing there. Because me tell you already, say when you're pitney left, you're a clean yard, because you hardly find nasty Jamaican. When you're pitney left, you're clean yard, gone to school and gone to daycare. Them a mix with pitney where I come from some family, brother, and from some home. You don't know what going on in there. So then catch up all kind of germs. You understand? All the time. So, if you can't clean up vomit, brother, and if you can't run up and down a hospital and can't pitney go a doctor, foreign enough you. You see what I say? Because fever, vomit, and cold are your best friend. You understand? When you try to raise pitney over here, so. Saying, and the nurse practitioner lady, her story particularly resonate with me. You see me? Because my wife is one. You understand? Doing her doctorate right now. So, sometimes it's like we play tit for tat with the finances. Because sometimes she make more money than me, sometimes me make more money than her. You understand? But whoever make more money or whatever the case is, we not say, oh, all right, me I make more money than you, or me make more money than you this month. You understand? So, regardless of how much you make, you have to still go half and half for everything. Possible it put a strain on the other person because you're going to leave them with nothing. You get what I'm saying? So, that no make sense. So, if two parties in the relationship wholeheartedly, brother, and that me I try to show you, say, then thing they not work over here, so. You see me? Then thing they not work over here, so. Cause my wife as a nurse practitioner, me know how busy the other lady is. You understand? Because me live that life there. So she need her husband now to balance up certain things. He have to balance the youth them. You understand? Sometimes you have to balance the cleaning. Sometimes you have to balance the washing. You understand? Sometimes you have to balance the cooking. You understand? Sometimes when she come up on her day off, she goes super tired. You know, we are man. We have more energy and more strength to take care of certain things than the woman them sometimes. You see what I say, bro? So, I just call in nurse practitioner them, they see patient just like doctor, you know. You see what I say? So, I try to show you. You see me? But a whole heap, brother, a whole heap of story me could have give you, a whole heap of things to this story. You get what I'm saying? Because, alright, me give you an example. Saying in a COVID time, me put on weight. Me didn't even know say me could have put on weight. You see me? I put on weight. My wife never wait until me big and fat and then she go say, boy, you know, say you're big and fat now, so me go left you, me not attracted to you again. You get what I'm saying? She signed me up a gym membership after COVID over, like in a 2022 then time. She said, alright, a free paper, but no, laziness, you understand? Sit down in a house and they kind of thing they can't go nowhere. Everything start opening up back now. She buy me 2 pair of sneakers. Saying gym shorts, 3 pair of gym shorts. Saying half dozen shirts. Sign me up a gym membership. Saying give me the scanning card and everything. You see me? And she said, if you want me to drive you there, I will drive you there. You understand? But if you are going to be my husband, I want you to be my husband for a very long time. So you have to be fit and you have to be healthy for me and your family. You understand? For me and the kids. So I couldn't do nothing but take heed, brother. I have to get back myself in shape and lose that belly something there. You see me? So I try to show you she take responsibility. That's because she know how she have her idea in her head of how she want her husband. You understand? So till now she tell me, say boy, every time she see me arms them, you understand, she just want there if you hold her. You get what I'm saying? Me on the other hand now, remember say, me I come from banking and finance as me tell her. So me used to the dress pants, you see me, and the shine shoes and the long sleeve shirt, well pressed something there. You understand? My wife as a nurse practitioner now, as a nurse, she used to wear scrubs. Scrubs you don't really have to iron them if you put them in a sitting there. If you wash them and dry them and take them out same time when they're hot and flog them out and hang them up, they look just like how they iron. But she a nurse practitioner now. You get what I'm saying? So she have to dress a certain way. She have to dress business like, and she wear a white coat. You understand? So, me as a farmer bankman, and even as a sixth farm student, you understand, washing my white shirt, them and then, because she never wear white blouse got high school. She did wear plaid. But me now was a white shirt, man, white undershirt, white marina, banking, white shirt. You understand? So, me I care white for a long time. You understand? So, me tell her, say, here what, me have a certain way. When me want to see you, when me used to in the corporate world, when me want to see you, and me want to smell you, and me want them thing they, me love them thing they turn me on. You understand? So me make sure me go with her, go buy like our dress pants them. You understand? Our heels and our dress blouse them and then kind of wear. They don't to our very watch them and then and our jewelry and then kind of sitting there what she wear. You understand? Me help pick them out. You get to me, I say, brother? Seeing? And with our white coat and them thing there. Seeing? And me blue soap them and wash them in a hot water and press them, bro. You see me? Come on, she feel sharp. You understand? Regardless, I say she a prior military, me a the corporate man. You see me? I say, even down to our very cologne them. Me know the type of perfume them I want to smell arena. Cause me is a man when me a buy perfume, you know. See in a fear, you know, me a buy cologne for myself, you know. You see me? Me read the ingredient them, you know. Me not just go off a name brand, you know. So me know say anything like with orange blossom and peony flowers and lychee and them kind of thing there. Me very detail oriented, bro. Me know I go have a certain type of smell. When me want to smell upon her, because she always get compliment about her perfume, them, brother. You see me? When we are go out as a family to dinner or anything, make sure I say, yo, me youth them not sloppy tidy. Everybody clean and crisp. Everywhere we go, we get compliment, bro. People are say, what a lovely family. What well-behaved children. You get what I'm saying? Because me know a certain way when I want to see her and smell her and them kind of thing. And thing they turn me on. You understand? So me I tell you, say, taking responsibility for the relationship, brother, 100 is not just financial, bro. It go way beyond that. Even this morning, me already my kids them for go to school. You see, because me tell them my business run on the go. Me work at night, you understand? My business upon my computer, upon my phone, and my office in my car. You understand? So me work around my family and around my kids them. So even when me already me youth them for go to school this morning, I drop them at school every day, me pick them up every day. You get what I'm saying? So, me I listen to one story I talked to one lady from Georgia from 1 year ago. And the lady I said when she come up, she do her masters and she and her daughter, because she's a single parent. You understand? And when she look for a man, but not just any man. And you ask her about the education, qualification, and the money, and she said, no, that is not all. That's not all she look for. Because you have people who don't have the masters will make more money than she. So money is not even the factor. You understand? The main factor are the education. She look for a stable, firm, responsible. You understand? Man, if stand up by her side in a foreign so that they can make life together and who can be a father figure and a good example to our child. You get what I'm saying, bro? Who can bring stability to the home? Because me telling you, when a man them breed up a woman them and left them sometimes, the woman them not have no choice but to stand on their own. You get what I'm saying? But when a man is present in the household, bro, it bring a different type of dynamic to the family structure.
I could listen to the call here from last night's show. I could continue listening. I like the video for me.
You know, me know, say, you know, me kind of interested in enough things. We
So you single?
Me? Me left my wife, man.
Oh, a nice lady.
She's nice, she's not far away, you know. When me say...
No, me say if you want one nice lady.
Oh, me, yeah, I mean, me would have dated a Jamaican woman, you know, me would date one of them on the phone and somebody hook me up to her. And as soon as me start to her, she just tell me, say, her phone, they drop the call them and her phone not good and all of them things there. And, you know, her friend will hook me up, say, no, I can't follow you, a new phone she want. So right there, a red flag, me just block her. You see me?
So she say her phone now work good and something.
Her phone now work good and, you know, every time I call her at night, I can't get her at night. So I deal with...
All the day you get her.
Yeah, and then she called me back and tell me her phone now work good and ray and whatever, I don't know what happened to the phone and all of them things then. You know, I just listen and I say, yeah, I red flag this, you know. You know, all of them girls in Jamaica are scammer. Most of them. You know, especially when...
Say how much? Yeah, how much? Yeah, how much?
56, man.
So what age man you want? Mine a young girl you want, you know, with battery rider and something.
Nah, man. Want a woman between or 40. You know, between 40 and 45, you know?
So you would talk to a 60-year-old or a 58?
The kids them would have to grow and down, you know. Because any woman that age, you know, more woman we can spend time with and, you know, we can do things together.
Yeah, but a woman in her 40s, more likely people them I go college can live a house. So when I say 40s, that's why I ask you, that's why I put up a age.
Yeah, but, you know, me have experience.
No, but me know, but more I understand the logic for me I say. If you take somebody in their 40s, chances are the kids them still go college or maybe I finish off high school, depending on what years you have them. So you still got the kids them to deal with.
And Rashid, they take care of the son and the daughter and the grandkids to them. You know?
Right, that's an example.
I got me fine with the woman them in America, them people never leave the house yet. You know, they cripple them. You saw me I deal with? Yeah, man, them cripple them, man, and, you know, then you did it as a man, you can't even talk to the pity them, because them person goes say, you're not my dad.
Yeah,
You know what I
yeah.
mean?
True.
Yeah. And then, you can't even discipline them, because you know within your heart is not your kids, them. You saw me I deal with?
Well, on them now go allow you to discipline them.
Yeah, or them just...
Them are face it.
Yeah.
Man say you're not my daddy, right?
It's just crazy to deal with them, woman. Hey.
So right now, if you just get a woman with single, have a little place, and you just move in with her and start pay her mortgage, and help her with her bills.
No, man, me not live with no man. Any woman me I live with, and me, I say so in the household. Like, me name I fit up on the mortgage, the lease, or whatever. You see what I deal with?
So would they just tuck up a nice woman and move in and start paying mortgage for her, pay her bills them?
No, foreign woman likes to get out. No, they like to get out. We got through that bad man where, you know, me give woman money for close for a house already, my youth. And when them close for the house, them take time pay me about the money what me give them. And within a month or two, she send me a long text. I don't like what's going on. We pass each other in the house and not talking. I think you need to go, you know what I mean?
Just like that.
Just like that, my youth. So, when I come my mind say, I would never, ever move in with a woman, my youth. She have to come spend time and we go check her and all of them things. But no, me have to have my own palace, you know?
So what may I say? So you would join up with a woman and you're not go rent somewhere and live together and build a thing. You would do that?
She would have to come see me and you would have to talk and reason that out. Because my name would have to depend on the lease and we would have to have an agreement so we split the bills.
Split the bills?
Ain't no 50-50 right now with them woman in America, my youth.
Hold on. What do you mean split the bills?
Like, if me would have paid the rent, but she would have to take up some of the expense, like she paid the light and the utility or something. She would have to pay a part.
Suppose she don't want to pay none, I want to pay her light.
No, man, me not live. You're mad, man. MIXUP boss, me not do that because I thought them go use down when it slow down, them go look for somebody else.
Oh.
You got to deal with a woman that, a lot of people say they're independent, but they don't know what independent means. You know what I mean? If somebody writes your check, you're not independent. You know what I mean?
But remember, say all we have to work on our own body and have a boss, if we don't have our own business.
Exactly. So when a woman talk about who, I'm independent. I don't need a man. You know, they got it twisted. You see what I'm saying?
Well, and say a woman say that?
You have many women say that. The woman tell me say she don't think you go work and need to get out after me help give her money to close on the house. She says she independent. She don't need a man.
Wow.
Yeah, she spend more time with her girlfriend right now. You know?
Oh, with our friends them.
Yeah, man. You know, if we can out there, but and then you know when a woman over in a 50, like 52, 50 things, them come with complication, you know. Them and them thing then they don't want to have sex and they don't want to do this and they don't want to do that. But I know that, my body still charged, It's still active.
Well, you say when a woman over 52, then body shut down for sex and so some. Then
Yeah,
you sure remember say some woman body set up different. They want more body than time there.
Yeah, but most of them want me run through, it's like sex, the problem, like that. They start off sexually, like them love it, and then when them feel they have you, they start change,
Oh.
Yeah, man. Them know, hey, every woman have a 10-year or a 5-year plan, bro. Especially these women in foreign countries. Yeah. Because remember, they can get food stamp, and they can get Medicare, Medicaid. You see what I'm saying? Worse when them single, and them can bring them grandson or them granddaughter from the taxes. Because the cripple, them son, the kids who have the kids don't even have a regular job. You understand? So the woman can carry the kids them and their taxes. You see, it's a strategy, bro. I'm not proud of this, but black people in America is like generation to generation, because if you meet a woman, you got to do investigation about that woman's family, about her mama, and if they live on welfare, it's a welfare trend. You know what I mean? The daughter will be on welfare, the granddaughter will be on welfare. They don't know no other way. You know what I mean? 10% of them might say, yo, I'm going to go get a degree or whatever, but it only take a Jamaican man to, meet a girl and know that she has to cooperate from them and send them to school. That's what I deal with. And when them graduate from school, they don't need you no more. You know what I mean?
Oh, so you go.
Yeah, man, I'm running in that already, man. Hey, I tell you things that by experience, My baby mother, my son mom, I meet her. I take her from the project. I open a bank account for her. And I buy her a car. And I move her off the project. But I know she was smart. And she lost her brother about 3 months ago before I meet her. And she said she was there when her brother was like yapping, when he get killed, cause he get killed right down the street from her. You know what I mean? And she couldn't save her brother's life. So I deal with. So she said she want to be a nurse. And I say, yo, that's good thinking. But when I meet her, I didn't straight in America, and I may want a home to go. Like, they want somebody who know where I'm at, somebody who could call my family and say, yo, this happened to him, and whatever. You saw me deal with?
Yeah.
So, man at the street, they do my thing. 1, 2, you know what I mean? So at the end of the day, money I run.
Okay.
So, anyway.
So how long are you there, America?
What's up here, dear man?
What you truck on the road now? How long are you there for?
32 years.
32?
Yeah, but me used to back and forth to Jamaica, it was easy.
You get all the experience then, man. Yeah, all the experience. But what me I go do? Where you say you want a woman in her 40s where you can have some fun with it?
Yeah, man, want a woman an active veteran.
Okay.
I come check me in my little thing,
Oh, she can be Jamaican.
Yeah, man, I don't want no more American. I don't want no more American woman.
Oh, you don't want hold on, you don't want a more American woman. What you mean? Born American or you want Jamaican?
No, born American.
You want a Jamaican to live in America?
Yes.
Oh.
What I'm Bill, yo. Me also Jamaica, And when a woman tell me so to get out, saying something where already. We don't say, wow. You know, I would never tell a woman to get out my house. You know, we don't just give her time like, you know, like whatever. If you're not comfortable, you know what to do, but I would never say get out, especially somebody that I say I love. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but these American women, they tell you, oh, I love you, baby. But a lot of them bipolar, you know what I mean? They're sick. Yeah, a lot of them sick. 90% of black American women have problem, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Them have problem and they deny it like, ain't nothing wrong with me, something wrong with you. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So that's where the problem is. And there's no love because the internet is wide open. You know, they know that they think that Jamaican married them, they married them to get papers.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's all over the internet. So
Mm-hmm.
it's no secret, you know? In my time, you could have married a woman and get your thing and she wouldn't even think about nothing or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
I'm married because of love. I never married for papers. I'm married because I know this girl for a long time. And, you know, but she said, hey, let's try and see where we go. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, make help her where she can go get a different job where she can make some more money. And, you know, her daughter graduated from school. Her son come home from prison. So she was good. She don't need me no more. Because she used to, couldn't stay at the house. She could always go to her friend in house, go just sit down or whatever. So it's them type of woman that like other people place and don't know what they have at home. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And I said, I can't live their life. More when I come home from work, I say, my woman.
So much time. If you have a woman now, forget a woman now from a platform. How much time a week you don't want sex?
I want it when I want it. Like I don't get up every day and say I want sex.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, you say if me go home, and me go take a shower, and me can't sleep, me should have easy access. You know, to come to bed with no drawers or nothing like that. You know? Do what I do. And me will go into the bathroom, go wet rag and soap and wipe her up and really clean her up and make she go on, go sleep. You know, she don't have to get up.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the thing. Because I just want to lose some lick of my energy to go sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
3 times a week good for me.
3 times.
It all depends. Because my woman, she's sexy every day, you know. Because me a man love by lingerie and, you know, and them things they are nice, perfume and I like them things and I like cook for my woman and
Oh, so like you come in and by the time you come in, you see her in a cut up, in a see-through lingerie, you walk in our heels and one little bow, dip on the little...
No, when they come home, right?
Yeah.
Me want, she not fit. You not fit in your clothes or no clothes when you come in from work. You come in from work and you drop off your clothes at the bathroom and go take a shower. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can't take a shower and have on a t-shirt, no underwear, and you can't watch TV. Can me come home and cook while you watch TV and me talk to you to tell you how my day is. You see what I deal with?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, but me don't want you look like outside and me don't want to come home and you have to tie up your head and all of them things them I use. You know, more should be at least drop down her ear, you know, and put on lip gloss. No lipstick, you know. Just like a lip gloss and, you know, get her nails and her toe done and look nice. Let me know want to go back on road. You put me on the ear.
So you don't want to do, she does, when you cook, she come over here and start kiss up on your neck, or you have to be...
No, she don't have to do that, man. She don't have to do that, man. Yes, if she come at the fridge, yes, she can just slap me from my ass or something. I'm going to say, stop. You know what I mean? I put my little shots down. I make me just go, and you saw me idea, don't play with me.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, yeah.
Yeah, man. You know why they cook and they talk to her and they watch
Hey, and this is the thing I know, my G. Although this is the thing, a man like a spontaneous woman in come home and she will advise. You have some woman, you say once you come in the house, a be argument. But this
Yeah,
and
because
that.
a lot of them argue with you because, alright, you say, for woman know you say, if they argue with you, you go leave the house, because you don't want no argument, and they were on their phone, to talk, they go pick at you.
Oh,
It's just a reason for you to get out where they can call them man or do whatever them little. Because if a woman messing around out there and she come home and she be like, hey, don't call me when I get home or whatever, but I'm going to call you and tell you good night. You know what I mean? That woman go pick with you for you to go so they can do what they have to do. You know what I mean?
if it's a woman, we are do road. Okay, my boss. Yes, guys, so you know, so we have to smooth it down and hold them discussion and put it in a comment on the one we discuss more time. Because sometimes it's not about your story. We can have some discussion. You know, more time the views them not go up on it, but me like interact and learn more. What about I want the number one concern? Man, I want the number one problem, ladies. The man them want the number one concern. Woman I want the number one problem, financial problem. What? Green card, status, whatever or not. What is on the problem? Comment below or reach out to me 87627732254. What is under my nose? I'm out.
You see, man, them in my inbox. Me I beg on allow me. You understand? Man, not time for games. Man, I look no sex. Man, I look no games. But if I found them inbox, I post no woman. But advising if I never no woman, come out of my inbox. Because I don't want nobody, man. Leave me alone. If I want to make a chance in my life, I don't know what I do with a good woman. Because I not even love on yourself, all that. I don't inbox as sex. And I don't want to play with yourself or a penis. That's not a relationship. When you come at me with good. I don't answer no, because I don't want to when I want a sex. When I use TikTok as a sex. I'm good. I'm alright. I don't have time for games. If I have no woman, come out of my inbox. I see someone I post no woman. Come out of my inbox. When you leave me alone, that's why I'm not answer on. Leave me alone. Because I don't know if I love nobody or care for nobody. When you leave me alone.